I don't use anything fancy. I have this, what you call, rapid test, and I did get it at Menards, Navarre, and I like it. I've had it for years, and so on this rapid test here, let me see if I can show you a little bit closer up here. Now, when I test my soil, I have the fertility, and if that hits around 3 and 4, I'm happy. I get fantastic produce. And the pH is anywhere from 7 to 8, and when my soil hits that, I'm great. Now these things, when I got them at Menards, I believe 4 years ago they were like $23, but I think they're pretty close to 28 now. And you know, so basically the only thing I use in my garden is leaves, grass clippings, and of course I have chickens, so I have the manure mixed in with the straw and wood chips. And then in the winter time, when we have a wood burner, we heat with wood, then I will take some of the wood ash and I will scatter it on my ground. And that's all I have ever used in 40 years for my soil. And I've, like I said, with the fertility of this on this test being around 3 or 4, and the pH between 7 and 8, I've never had a problem with tomato rot. I just nothing. I'm happy with what I've done with my soil. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test this. So make sure the prong is clean and just put it right down in there. Give it about 20 seconds. So we're going with the temperature of this soil right now. Okay, this soil is about 40, probably 43 degrees, 45. So, and then the pH, just pull this up. I'll get you a close-up look here. So my fertility, or my pH is 6.7. And my fertility, which I want between 7 and 8, the fertility here is showing at 4. And to me, this will be perfect soil. So the fertility here is 4. You bring that down, the pH, I can't read upside down.
70.
It's no, it's 7.7, which I like. And then you got your temperature. Well, it looks like the temperature is about 40. That's all I do.